acting different, yeah. Funny how I finally flipped the script on ya. When you the one who's double dipping, yeah. You so sloppy how I caught you slipping,
Hey y'all, it's your girl Aubrey Beautiful, and I'm back with another video. Y'all don't come to y'all it's been a very long time, and I'm sorry. I just been having a busy life, but it's okay because I'm back now, and I'm back like I never left. Period. So I've already started the retwist on my hair because this is of course the retwist video, and we're just supposed to catch up and talk about the products I'm using, and everything. So that's how far I've gotten so far. So I'm not going too far without you, you know. So I am on freshly washed hair, and I did wash my hair with black soap. This black soap is soft because I leave it inside my shower. You're not supposed to do that, but that's how I do it. Because the regular black soap is hard and it's hard to chip off, but this actually is like soap, like soft, like yeah. So I get that from the African shop. You don't have to do it. Yeah. And for the actual product I'm gonna be using on my hair, it's gonna be this Jamaican mango and lime locking gel, and it is the firm hold one. This is the one that you use specifically for the retwist. Now the other ones you may use it just for styling or any other thing, but I use that specifically for retwist. And the other product is, you know, I'm always using Jamaican lime, but Jamaican mango and lime lock roll. For my edges, I am going to be using She Is Bomb. Let me get y'all into this because that's gonna be the first time I show y'all. I am not being paid to say that, but this is the best edge control. It's the only thing that can lay my hair down, and I have very curly hair, like, you know. It's the coils for me, period. Next, I am going to be showing you guys the clips that I use. It's very simple, like this shit. Ooh, clip, you just disrespected me. It's a regular clip, you know, I just use those. I say you need twice as many as you have for your hair. Like, for how many locks you have. I have 75 locks. I always have double that amount of clips. It just makes it easier because you may have to pin some together if they are too curly, because you know when you wash your hair you may wash it, but it may necessarily not get all the curls out or crinkles. See how that one I made, and it's also because I have the jewel at the end. Y'all, but I'm just gonna show y'all this. It's pretty simple. Y'all know. We're just gonna walk through it. Like, we're just gonna walk through this thing. The retwisting, you want to keep that to a minimum. Also because it can thin out your hair. And as you see, this is a month of new growth. Let me get into it, y'all. A month of new growth. Y'all see, I wash the hair. I scrub that scalp. Get into it. Yeah, so let me just show y'all how to do it, just to be kind of prepared. I always put some on the back of your hand. I don't know, it's probably just a cultural thing. Like, just put it on my finger. So, I'm gonna be showing y'all two different ways that I do it. Let's see what else there is. I'm gonna get y'all into it. I want y'all to be able to see it. So, I just simply put, so y'all can just see everything that's going on. I put it right here on the edges or the roots. And then you just go around just like this. Palm roll it. Palm roll it. And so once you do that, I just take all the excess off my hands. And I do wash my hair with a regular old t-shirt because the t-shirt is what keeps your hair from breaking off. I've learned it comes with a lot of test and learns in this game. Being locked ain't easy. So you'll see it's very close. Then I get a clip. My hands are greasy from now. It doesn't have a lot of oil, but it is moisturizing. So then we're gonna try this again. You don't need a comb. But this is just how I do it. I mean, I tell people like it's easy just for you to see it. I do use scissors sometimes. Like if I just have gone too long without a retwist, y'all, I go ahead and just use scissors to snip a little bit, but it's not gonna hurt it because it'll grow into the lock eventually. Y'all see how close I'm getting to the scalp? Like I want it to lay. You want it to lay perfectly, like they're at an angle, like they're gonna layer each other, and that's what it forces your lock. Like your hair, it naturally, you can train your hair to go a certain way. You can train it. So this is what trains my hair to go straight down and form to itself. So I'm gonna show you guys a front lock if you are, you know, one of the girls and you just want a nice edge for date night, baby. Let me show you. How y'all been surviving during COVID though? Is it just me? So you just put the edge control right there, and as you see, I kind of, my edges, you know what I'm saying? I don't do a whole lot. I do enough just to make them look very sleek. And when having locks, you can't have those really big long edges. So I start off with that. And I get a soft brush or a harder brush. I have both here just because I know these are not edge brushes. But like I said, I don't really use them a whole lot. So let me just, this is She Is Bomb. Do you hear me? Let's get it to her. Yeah. She is bomb. She is bomb. Like, no, she's telling y'all. She's telling y'all she's bomb. Like, so, yeah, so then once you do that, you just get a little bit of the same, you know, I be forgetting it's on my hand, but it does warm up, so that's the best part about it. There's also a thing about I put it on my hand because it warms it up. Because it's kind of thick. And my locks, because y'all haven't seen them in song, I have to catch y'all up on some things that went through them. They can break off because, like, let's say for instance I grew my hair out. I really did. So this is just a true story. I grew my hair out, and while growing it out, one of my locks I felt was too thick. And let me just show y'all how I split the two together, which is crazy because this lock is out so long. So these two were formed together. That's why they're near the same. And because this was such a big lock, like it was too thick of a lock, I cut it in half, which I wouldn't recommend you doing because I did it and I was like praying that I didn't have a plug in my head. So what I did was, because if you retwist your hair, it takes about a month to 2 months of that part that you locked last to even lock up. And you can see what my new growth is. This is probably, I dyed my hair Christmas. How was your holiday? I dyed my hair in Christmas, and this is how, no, Thanksgiving. I dyed my hair Thanksgiving. And this was it, because I dyed the whole lock. It's pretty simple. You know, you stand by me. So this is the second way to do it. You get your, and I'm only dipping into this jar, y'all, because it's right beside me. I'm forgetting that I got it on my hand. And you're gonna get your comb and comb it out to the end, which this part, I say this way takes a little longer, but it's for people who maybe have shorter locks. And so you see, as I bring it around, how that perfectly coils it. Okay, you don't want to overwork that lock, so because it's coiled, it's done. You maybe can just do a little pat at the end, but this is for people that have shorter locks, so that would have instantly locked yours. Only reason it didn't mind, I like to get that uniform look. Y'all, I'm looking in this mirror up, so my eyes like, girl, what are you doing? So let me show y'all again on a bigger lock. And like I said, those two locks were, of course, thinner than the rest of my locks because I cut them in half. It was way too big. So this is this lock here. You'll see it's kind of a more flatter one. This is one of my favorite locks. She been a long way, y'all. And if y'all want to know the coloring process or how I color my lock, let me know. I would definitely do that video. And y'all make sure y'all like that video. My last video at 8.1K. Yay! I appreciate y'all for that. Like y'all really did your thing. I appreciate y'all. Like I have to come back. Like I'm like, the girl back now. You know, y'all miss me. So here we are. You just retwist that, and you want to do it to display. So when I finish, I'll be back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so the audio did go out on this part of the video, but I just sat underneath the dryer for 15 minutes and oil my scalp. And you can just do your edges according to your liking. But remember to like, comment this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all.